Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best wood glue is probably one of the most important tools for any furniture repair enthusiast or DIYer, ensuring your projects are sturdy and long-lasting. Choosing the right wood glue can be overwhelming with so many options available, each with its own strengths and weaknesses for different types of wood and repair jobs, from simple cracks to complex restorations. This video will guide you through the selection process, helping you find the perfect wood glue to achieve professional-looking results. Number 5. Gorilla Wood Glue, 2-pack. It only takes 20 to 30 minutes of clamping time, and it's fully cured in 24 hours. This creates an incredibly strong bond for all your wood projects. It meets NCHPVA Type 2 water resistance standards. You can use it for interior or exterior projects and repairs. It's perfect for hardwoods, softwoods, and natural wood composites. It's a great super glue for a wide variety of wood types. It offers a natural bond line with no foaming. Plus, it's paintable and sandable to match your project's needs. This PVA glue is easy to apply and clean up. Just wipe it off when wet, and sand it when dry. It washes off your hands easily with soap and water. What we like. It sets quickly, is suitable for indoor or outdoor use, and works on various wood types. If you need a strong, quick-drying glue for diverse projects, this is a great option. Its versatility makes it perfect for both beginners and experienced woodworkers tackling various projects. What people say. Works well and dries fast. Great for woodcraft projects. Ordered this to use on a repair of an antique table. Did the job exceedingly well. Seals in color. Reinforced hold. Use any thickness for complete hold. Number 4. Gorilla Ultimate Wood Glue. It's incredibly strong and 100% waterproof, yet cleans up easily with just water. Perfect for all your wood bonding needs. Use it indoors or outdoors, it's tough enough to withstand any weather condition. Ideal for projects where moisture or temperature changes are a concern. This versatile glue is waterproof and durable, exceeding industry standards for water resistance. It can handle sun, water, and extreme temperatures. Enjoy an extended working time of up to 15 minutes. Take your time to get the perfect bond without rushing. Only needs 20 to 30 minutes of clamping time and is fully cured in 24 hours. It creates an incredibly strong bond quickly. Get your projects done quickly and efficiently. It's strong, durable, and easy to use. What we like. This glue boasts superior waterproofness and durability, and offers a longer working time. If you're working on outdoor projects or need extra time for assembly, its extended working time and waterproof nature are invaluable. Choose this for projects exposed to the elements or those requiring precise alignment. What people say. The waterproof feature sets this wood glue apart from the competition. I've used it for outdoor projects exposed to the elements, and the bond remains rock solid even in rain or humidity. The application is a breeze, thanks to the precision nozzle that allows for controlled dispensing. The glue has a smooth consistency, spreading evenly and forming a strong bond within minutes. Once cured, the bond is virtually unbreakable, making it ideal for heavy-duty projects. I've repaired furniture, crafted wooden structures, and even bonded different types of wood together. Number 3. Tekbond Wood Glue. It's perfect for furniture repair, fittings, and various wood assembly projects. Its versatility makes it ideal for a wide range of applications. This glue boasts strong adhesion, not just for wood, but also materials like concrete, fabric, and leather. It creates a durable and reliable bond. It's formulated to withstand moisture, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor woodworking projects. You can confidently use it in various environments. It dries rapidly, allowing you to complete your projects quickly and efficiently. No more long waits for your projects to set. Each pack contains one 8-ounce container of PVA wood glue, ready to tackle your next woodworking project. It's convenient and easy to use. Choose Tekbond for reliable adhesion and superior performance in all your woodworking endeavors. Experience the difference of a high-quality wood glue. What we like. It's incredibly versatile, offering strong adhesion to a variety of materials beyond just wood. If you need a glue that can handle multiple materials and withstand moisture, this is the one for you. Its multi-purpose nature makes it ideal for furniture repair and various crafting projects. What people say. Follow label instructions for right materials and it works. I've been woodworking for over 20 years and have used many brands of glue, and this glue is incredible. It sets up a little quicker than I'd prefer for those big glue-up jobs, but it is incredibly strong. One of my brand new dining chairs broke from the top. After applying this and letting it dry, it's like it never even happened. You can't tell which chair it was that broke, and you can lift it by the broken bit without issue. Number 2. Wonderlokking Tite Chair Adhesive. Say goodbye to wobbly chairs and loose furniture. This amazing adhesive permanently tightens joints, saving you time and effort. You don't need to take your furniture apart to use it. Simply apply a few drops directly to the joint. It's mess-free and easy to use. Just squeeze a few drops into the joint for a strong, lasting bond. It's incredibly versatile. It works on wood, metal, rubber, glass, and most ceramics. It dries clear, leaving a virtually invisible bond that's incredibly strong and long-lasting. It's the perfect solution for repairing loose joints in chairs, tables, and other furniture. Get your furniture looking and functioning like new. What we like. This glue is incredibly easy to apply directly to the joint without taking apart your furniture. If you need a simple solution for tightening loose joints without the mess of traditional glue, this is perfect. It's ideal for quick repairs and minimal disruption. What people say. Read the reviews and quickly decided that this was exactly what I needed to glue two pieces of a handle back together. Handle had not separated completely, and only a crack the width of a razor blade was all I had to work with. This stuff did not disappoint. It's thin and worked its way through the separation. Bought some chair off Marketplace. Got them home and sat in them for the first time, and they were ultra wobbly. Did some research and found this product. Applied it liberally in all the cracks, and I was amazed at the results. Months later the chairs are still solid. I used Wonderlokking to repair splits in wood and to tighten the joints of some old dining chairs. Love the flexible long tapering applicator. There were 2 hidden inside each package. It was so easy to do and worked fast. I did not need to buy clamps. Number 1. Wood glue for furniture repair, 20G. This isn't your average glue. It's designed for professional furniture repair, offering a strong and durable bond for all kinds of materials. It works wonders on wood, metal, plastic, stone, and ceramic. Use it on tables, chairs, crafts, anywhere you need a reliable bond. Experience its instant bonding performance. It creates a strong, lasting hold in seconds, keeping your furniture stable and beautiful. It comes with 2 precision tips for accurate and controlled application. Get the perfect amount of glue exactly where you need it. It's shockproof, high-temperature resistant, and remains soft and tough, ensuring long-lasting repairs. It won't become hard or brittle. You receive a 20G bottle of clear, non-toxic glue, plus lifetime technical support and 24/7 customer service. We're here to help. What we like. This glue works on a wide range of materials, boasts a super strong bond, and comes with precision tips for controlled application. If you need a strong, versatile glue for various materials and precise application, this glue is a great choice. Its versatility and precision make it perfect for detailed work and diverse projects. What people say. All went well and are holding firm. Works fast and well. Repaired an antique filigree mirror frame. I had clamps so can't attest to 10-second hold. Come with 3 little skinny applicators. Applicators were very handy to precisely place the solution without making a mess. I held the pieces in place for 30 seconds, probably didn't even need it that long, and the bind was very strong. Has been a week now, and now more wobbly loose chairs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.